Sometimes life feels too heavy to carry. When darkness surrounds, it seems impossible to see hope. But one story will show you how courage can rise from despair. Watch and learn how to fight depression and never give up again. Once upon a time, in a small town in the USA, there lived a young, beautiful girl named Emily. She had shiny brown hair, soft white skin, and kind green eyes. Emily lived with her old mother in a small wooden house. Her father had passed away many years ago, and they had very little money. Every morning, Emily worked hard at a local bakery and also helped clean houses to take care of her mother. Despite their struggles, Emily smiled every day. She believed happiness came from love, not money. Her little house was full of warmth, laughter, and small joys with her mother, who always reminded her, happiness is in the heart, not the gold. Emily had met a young man named Ryan, a kind and handsome man who worked nearby. Ryan was gentle, polite, and promised Emily that one day they would be married. He made her feel safe, loved, and full of dreams. Emily could not wait to share her life with him. Ryan would bring flowers, hold her hands, and talk about their future together. Emily often told her mother, "I am going to have a happy life, Mom." Ryan promised me. Her mother smiled and hugged her, trusting Emily's heart. One day, Ryan told Emily that their marriage day was fixed. Emily was overjoyed. She ran home and told her mother the good news. They celebrated quietly, cutting a small cake and imagining the wedding. Emily went to bed dreaming of wearing a beautiful white gown, walking down the aisle, and starting a new life with the man she loved. She never imagined that day would also bring heartbreak. On the wedding day, Emily wore a simple but elegant white gown. Her hair was neatly done, her face glowing with hope and excitement. When she entered the hall, she saw many guests whispering and laughing quietly. Emily looked around nervously and then froze. There was Ryan, smiling and standing beside another girl, a rich, well-dressed woman. The crowd laughed loudly. Emily's heart broke. Her mother's face showed shock and pain. Emily could not understand why Ryan had betrayed her and left her standing there. Emily ran away from the hall, tears streaming down her face. She ran all the way home, her chest heaving, until she reached her small room. She cried for hours, holding her mother's hands, feeling alone and betrayed. Days passed, and Emily could see the town gossiping, whispering about her heartbreak. Ryan was happy with the other woman, and Emily felt her joy vanish. She stopped eating much, lost sleep, and felt weaker every day. Her depression grew deeper, making her feel as though the world had lost all color. If this story is touching your heart, please like this video. Subscribe to English Story Academy for more motivational English learning stories. One night, Emily sat quietly in her room, wearing her wedding gown once again. She thought about running away from everything, giving up, and letting the sadness take her. She closed her eyes and remembered her mother's words, "Even in darkness, you can find light." Emily realized that she had done nothing wrong, and Ryan's betrayal did not define her worth. She slowly stood up, removed the heavy thoughts from her mind, and decided to fight. She began to smile again, helped her mother, worked diligently, and slowly healed her broken heart. She found strength in small acts, remembering that life itself is a gift. Years later, Emily became successful in her career, and her heart became peaceful. She met a kind, loyal man named Daniel, who truly valued her, respected her dreams, and loved her deeply. Emily's life was filled with joy, laughter, and love, not because of riches or promises, but because she never gave up on herself. She learned that betrayal and sadness may come, but fighting depression and trusting your own heart leads to true happiness. Emily often smiled at her reflection and said, "I survived the darkest storm, and now I shine." If this story touched your heart, like this video and share it with someone who needs hope today. Subscribe to English Story Academy, where every story helps you grow stronger, wiser, and happier in English. Moral of the story: Don't let betrayal or sadness destroy your life. Fight depression, trust your own heart, and your happiness will return.